Hello everyone. Bread is one such lifesaver for those who are in a hurry. Trust me, in these days with busy schedule, you just can't have meals at proper time. But if you have slices of bread, few slices of bread, truly it will fill your stomach. But if you have some twist with the bread, you can truly enjoy that meal even. So with bread at home, you can do wonders with different varieties of recipes. So let us see how to prepare these. All you need is bread, the main ingredient of course. Here I have taken 4 loaves of bread and then 2 eggs. These are enough for preparing 4 slices of bread. So now here I have taken butter at room temperature and then start applying to all the slices of the bread only on one side, and then take a sharp edge of a glass and then start twisting, and then that's it. You can nicely see remove that circle out of the bread. If you have a cutter, that will be very easy. So again put those slices aside and then take a bowl and break a egg and then separate the egg white from the egg yolk and drop both of them separately into 2 different bowls. Now add pinch of salt to these egg white and egg yellow and then give it a nice mix. Once you're done mixing these egg white and egg yellow, put it aside and then take another bowl and then crack the remaining egg into it and then add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and then a pinch of cinnamon powder. For those who want to have a little more sweetness, you can add 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now give it a nice mix or stir until the sugar is melted and then put it aside. Now time to heat a pan. Here I have taken a grill pan. If you have normal pan also, no issues. Now grease your pan with butter or ghee or oil as of your choice and then place the sliced bread on the pan. Remember, the butter we have applied should be on top, okay? And then add egg white into it and then close the lid with the circle we have cut earlier. See, the butter one which we have applied, that should be on top of it. If you like to add or grease it with butter on this, it's your wish, you can grease it. See that stripes on the bread, that is so attractive. So even it's yummy also. So that's it. Our egg white bread is ready. Now comes our egg yellow. So repeat the process with the yellow also. So that's it. Close it with the sliced circle and then flip it and then grease it with some butter. For those who don't want to add butter, you can add ghee or oil also and then put it aside. Now it's time for our third one, that is the sweet one. Some they prepare this mixture for French toast, but instead of dipping the entire bread into this sugary egg syrup, just a little bit of that will create magic. So that's it. See that brownish one, because we added sugar, right? So that's the reason that nice golden brown color has formed on top of it. You need to remember this, put this in mind, that only 45 seconds on one side you should roast it, otherwise that will become a little bit of crunchy. So that's it, your snack is ready with the bread. You can prepare it and you can have it. You can dip it in honey and chocolate sauce and also in some ketchup. So you can prepare this and you can enjoy these breads in the evening along with some hot coffee or tea. Enjoy and let me know how it turned to you.